A lot of real estate creators think growing online means constantly filming new listing videos, market updates, mortgage breakdowns, neighborhood tours, client tips, and honestly, that's exhausting. Because if I'm being honest, most agents aren't really struggling with the concept of ideas, they're struggling with consistency. But what if one listing walkthrough could become 8 different pieces of content? One long form walkthrough, 3 short videos, a new hook variation, a Spanish version, an AI avatar version, and a social post, all from one single video. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it inside of HeyGen. This is episode 5 of the AI Faceless Influencer Series, and today we're going to be focusing on real estate and business content. And before we start, if you end up enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It genuinely helps us out so much more than you probably think. But before we start, you're going to need a few things. Number 1, a HeyGen account. Voice cloning and translation needs a paid tier, and if you're just starting out, I highly recommend the creator plan. Number 2, your source recording. Ideally, you want one finished long form video fully edited to start this process. And number 3, about 30 minutes of fully focused time. That's it. But anyways, everybody, let's get started. Before we create anything else, you need this one thing, a finished source video. The important part is that it's already polished and ready to publish, because everything else that we're about to build is based off of this one main video. So now once you have that, let's start turning it into more content.
Let's do it.
Clipping your content is what most creators spend the most time wasted on. Normally, you would scrub through every single video's timeline manually looking for good clips, and we are definitely not going to do that. Because inside HeyGen, Auto Clips automatically analyzes your long form video, and it finds moments for you that could work as standalone short form content. Because now instead of manually digging through your footage, HeyGen is already helping us find content opportunities. But now first, to actually get to Auto Clips, all you want to do is head over to the left and click on Apps, and right here, you'll be greeted by Auto Clips. And that'll bring you to this super intimidating and scary UI. No, I'm just kidding. It's actually super simple. The first thing you want to do is grab your video from wherever it is, whether it's a downloaded file or if it's already uploaded to YouTube or wherever else you uploaded it. You can either click here and select the file that you have, or you can paste in the URL for your video. And now once your video is actually uploaded into Auto Clips, you have a ton of different options that you can do with it. You can actually choose how long you want the clips to be, whether it's auto, under 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, 1 to 3 minutes, or 3+ minutes. You can also change the output format, whether it's 9:16 vertical, 16:9 landscape, or a 1:1 square. There's also the optional choice for captions, which there is a pretty decent selection of. And then there's the additional instructions area. We can really hone in what you want your clips to be about. Like you can see right here, for example, don't remove the scene with the cat. Now, I would consider myself a pretty easygoing guy, so I'm just gonna let it do whatever it wants to. And now all you have to do is click process video, and you're good. And here we can see all of the clips it generated for us, and it's honestly more than I was expecting. So we'll take a quick look at a few of them.
What I like to do when I walk into a room like this is I like to just literally stand in every corner. Looking around this space, this is sort of like a separate formal dining room, and it's just off the foyer where we walked in. I'm noticing that it's a fully open floor plan. It's one giant space that's broken up into...
And as you guys can see, these are some solid shorts. And now we have multiple clips to work with. And just like that, one listing has already became multiple shorts. And now let's say one of these shorts is performing pretty okay, but we want to test a different opening. Normally that means recording again, but like I said before, we are not doing that. So inside HeyGen, you can actually clone your face and or your voice. And this lets you generate multiple variations way quicker and way easier. So let's create a new intro. Maybe instead of "this kitchen's incredible," we test "this might just be the best kitchen in this price range." And just like everything else we've talked about, it is super simple to do. So just click home and head over to avatar right here. And once you click on that, you'll be greeted by this scene, and just click create avatar, then clone a real person. It's exactly what it says. You can create your AI avatar of yourself in 15 seconds. You can either use your webcam or record via your phone, but your phone camera probably is a little bit better. Then you'll be prompted to do a very short recording and just say what it says on screen, and make sure to follow this little guide too to make your video come out as best as possible. And now once that's done, you can head back over to the home page and click on the avatar that you ended up creating. And then you can also choose the voice that you ended up cloning. And now you can type out the hook that you want to use for your video. And then all you have to do from here is submit it. Or if you want to go another route, just press on avatar and then click on avatar shots. And right here, you can just copy and paste your script and you're good to go. I would recommend using Avatar V for the best and most realistic motion.
This might just be the best kitchen in this price range.
It's the same exact content, but with a different hook and a different angle. but now you have as many options as you could want. And if a word or sentence sounds slightly off, Voice Doctor lets you fix specific parts without having to rebuild the entire section, which, let me tell you, saves a ridiculous amount of time. And now once that's done, let's take our strongest short and expand it to a completely new audience. Inside HeyGen, all you have to do is go into the translation feature, select a new language, and generate a completed version. For this example, let's use Spanish. You might guess what I'm already about to say, but yes, to do this is also incredibly easy too. Just head over to apps and then translate videos. Then just like before, you can either drag and drop a file or you can paste in a URL. And now here you can just choose what language you want to put it in. I'm going to end up choosing Spanish, like I said, and then just click translate. And now that exact same piece of content can be shown to a ton of new audiences without ever recording a new video and without ever having to know how to speak Spanish.
No porque es un plano de planta totalmente abierto. Es un espacio gigante dividido.
But now let's create something completely different. Instead of using the original walkthrough footage, we can create multiple separate pieces of content using AI avatars. And pairing them with AI voices and supporting visuals, we can get really great new original content. We can make content just like this list of stuff right here without having to record again. And this becomes especially useful if you want to stay active online, but you don't want to constantly record yourself. Because the strongest workflows right now is a hybrid workflow. A real creator with real expertise with just some AI assisted scaling. And to actually find your video's transcripts, head over to projects and click on whatever video you want to get the transcript to. Then all you have to do is go over to the right and click on transcript and you get the entire transcript for your video. Now I already showed you how to make an AI avatar, but I'll go over it again just quickly for ease of use. I want you to head over to avatar and then click on avatar shots. And then this right here is where you can pick your avatar and you can choose from whatever options you want. And then obviously you can also choose the voice. And again, I definitely recommend using avatar 5. It copies the motion that you used in your actual video that you recorded. And now you can just copy a line from the transcript and you can generate a video with it. Now for me, my video wasn't faceless, but I could still use myself in a different outfit or a different backdrop to make it an entirely new standalone video. Or if your video is faceless, you can just add a face to it. If you're considering homes in this area, here's what you should know. And now this is definitely one of the pieces that most creators grossly overlook: the transcript of your video. Because your transcript is already full of content. Just take a useful section, clean it up, and you can turn it into a LinkedIn post, an X post, an email newsletter, or a market insight post, or whatever else you could think of. And now your original video is creating content outside of the video format completely. But now after all of that, let's take a look at what we built. From one single listing walkthrough, we've built that one long form video, 3 shorts, 1 hook variation, 1 translated video, 1 entirely AI avatar made video, and 1 social post. This one listing walkthrough has turned into 8 pieces of content already, and that is nowhere near the limit. So guys, the goal isn't just to create more content by just working harder. The goal is to get more value from the content that you already made, because most real estate creators don't just need more ideas, they need better systems. And once you build those systems, consistency becomes a whole lot easier. So you guys heard it from me first. If you're trying to grow a real estate brand, mortgage business, or any local business online, this is probably one of the most useful workflows you could build for yourself. And if you guys want more AI workflow breakdowns just like this one, you might as well subscribe, because we still have 3 more niches to go through in the AI Faceless Influencer Series. And if there's a niche you guys would like to see next, just comment it down below.